Hi guys, as promised, I'm in my studio right now. I'm going to share with you how I earn online. Now, I developed this amazing system. It took me more than 2.5 years of my life to curate niche marketing websites. What do I mean by that? Well, if you do a Google search for affiliate marketing, the first thing it will tell you is to pick a niche. What that means is this. You don't want to have one website that sells baby clothes and furniture and pizzas and breakfast cereals, etc., etc. So what I've done is I've curated. I'm going to share with you my system, and I'm going to share with you exactly step by step how easy it is to do this in the back end. Now, it's easy to build out, but here's what I want to share with you, which is very, very important. This is not get rich quick. This is not make money tomorrow. Okay? So I have a student of mine within, I think, 10 days from today. She'll be 104 years old. She's been with me since she was 99. Her first month, she made $35 whole. She was flipping out. She was ecstatic. Now, it took about a year to build up to about $2,000 a month. But keep in mind, she was 99 at the time with no skills. All she did was watch my training videos. So, here's what you need to pay attention to. Speaking properly sometimes helps. Is I will share with you the same techniques I use. But if you're the type of person who gives up easy and you think you're just going to post a few things on YouTube or post some affiliate marketing stuff on Facebook, that's not how it works. So here's tip number one. Stop selling. Yes, people don't want to be sold. People want to be engaged. So as an example here, if I come down here to my affiliate marketing websites, you will see that I've curated all these different niches. So step by step, before I get into how I actually do this, here's my different niches. Weight training, Mother's Day, Christmas, Black Friday, Toy Store, G-Free, coupon, mom to mom, Trump, hey, love or hate the guy that draws traffic, political news network, you earn network, do yourself network. I basically pick the best topics off of YouTube. Why? Because YouTube is the number 2 search engine. Most of you don't know that. You say Yahoo or Bing, and that's totally not true. So I'm going to share with you step by step how I do this. Now, pay no attention to the prices here because I have package prices and bundle prices available that I basically rolled out this past May. So if you basically pick a niche, now it doesn't matter what niche you pick, but I'm going to share with you some websites that students of mine built and explain to you why they built them that way. Here's an example of a student website that I taught. Just simply watch my videos. This woman's actually going to be 83 or 84 in September. 80 something, 83, 84 I think. Now, she built this totally from scratch. It took her about 45 minutes to an hour. But here's the interesting thing about this. Anytime I said, well, how did you know to do Robert, I watched your video. But how did you know to Robert, I watched your video. But what about Robert, I watched your video? I was like, oh my God, she actually watched my videos. Be brutally honest with you. Some people get so full of themselves with being distracted by their friends and opinions on YouTube and Facebook that they simply just don't watch my videos. I will help you earn, but first you have to learn. Now, you'll notice something about this website. What does this website have to do with affiliate marketing? What does this website have to do with making money? The answer is I'm not selling something. It's not all sale, 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 and this is the mistake. This is the golden rule people make. Stop selling. People don't want to be sold. This is just a simple recipe about vegan recipes. So as an example, if they want to shop on Walmart, they can do that. If they want to shop on Amazon, they can do that right from my site. In fact, if they come up here, they can shop Amazon. They could shop Walmart. But what are they not seeing? They're not seeing sales. They're seeing engagement. So my student basically posts simple, innocuous information on Facebook, on YouTube, to draw people to the site. Now, this entire site was curated with keywords. It's really that simple. So let me go into the back end of the site and share with you how this is put together. The back end here, yes, this is built in WordPress. Now here's the difference. I have curated the best premium plugins from Thrive Themes, Thirsty Affiliates, tons of Amazon affiliates, premium plugins. Now this is something that you can do without my help. Good luck with that. You're not going to get my training videos, you're not going to get my support, and you're not going to know the right series of plugins to work with and buy. Time is money. I've done all the heavy lifting for you, and that's why my students, even with experience or no experience, appreciate what I do. So what I can do here is I'm going to go down here This is how simple it is. Now, it's simple because I made it simple. I built a system here that you can literally get your site up and running in less than 10 minutes as far as up and running. Now, you need to spend several hours or half a day tying it into Google Analytics, tying it into your webmaster tools, basically linking properly, but I explain all that with back-end videos. So here's an example. Let's say that I wanted to bring in new video for vegan late night. It's really this simple. Watch. I click right here. Now, here's the cool thing. I'm using a program that will actually suck in the videos from YouTube. Now, you might say, why YouTube? Is that legal? Sure it is. People want their videos to be shared. Pick a topic. It's all on YouTube. You're curating content. So here's how the system works. Video drives traffic. Once they come to your site, engage them with content, with information. And by the way, so here's a good example of this. Last Thanksgiving, I posted something on my Facebook page for the 5 best beer turkey recipes. Innocuous, right? I said, hey, do you have your own beer turkey recipe? Within 48 hours, I had over 1,200 people basically engaged with that. Brought them to my site. Now, as they're watching beer turkey recipes, hey, I need to buy some new pots. I need to buy some recipes. I need to buy stuff. So I can go to Walmart and go to Amazon right from my website. Now, here's what's also exciting. And this is included in my training and including in my websites. About 18 months ago, I got into chatbot marketing. Chatbot marketing is the way to engage. I will share with you how you can put your affiliate products, Amazon, inside your chatbot and engage your audience. Email's dead. Don't think about email marketing. It's chatbot marketing. So as an example, this is based on keywords. Vegan last night recipes, vegan snack recipes. So if I want to bring in a new recipe, I simply click right here. Next step could be slightly technical. Now, depending if you're right or left-handed, you might want to get a pen and paper and write this down. Just kidding. I'm having fun with you. You take your mouse and you simply click this blue button, and it's automatically going to bring in that content based on keywords. Now, you might ask yourself, why do I have to sit here and do this all day long? No. She has this site programmed to bring in new content based on this category from YouTube every 5 hours. Now, I highly suggest there's no need to tie up your server and bring in things every 10 minutes or 20 minutes. 4 to 5 hours, a couple times a day is really all you need. So now if I go to that, this is going to, she has this program that this information will automatically within 24 hours go up to her Google Webmaster Tools and Sitemap XML. So step by step. Now, she happens to be very clever and she puts a couple of my ads on here. Now, you're going to make more money as an affiliate. So if you basically purchase a 5-site bundle, you automatically become an affiliate of mine. Now, here's what I want to share with you. Rule number 1, I don't do a free affiliate program because I need to know who you are. I'm not Amazon, not yet. So I don't want you selling my BMWs if you're driving around in a Chevy. You're going to get more bang for the buck and be more credible if in fact you can have websites that basically practice what you preach. So my average student probably has between 12 and 14 websites. To start out with 5, build to 6, etc. I have a student from Vietnam. He has 68, or I think he's working on 70 websites. Now, it didn't happen overnight. Now, why would you want to have more websites? Well, that's good for backlinking one step at a time. So as an example, if you click right here, you're going to go to my website and you're going to be paid a commission. I also have a contest, and you can put this on your website as well, and basically you would get the information. So if you click right here, that's going to take you to a contest, and therefore you can market to people. So I basically come out with all the bells and whistles one step at a time. Now, I shared with you how the system works. If you want more in-depth free training, click the link on the top of the video or the bottom of the video, depending on if you're on mobile or not, and I will take you to my chat bot. Inside my chat bot, you can engage and get free video, a complete course, a course that would typically run you $129, absolutely free, no strings attached, no funny business. Simply click the link and engage with my chatbot. My name's Robert. I've been doing this a long time. If you're into chasing shiny objects or get rich quick, this is not for you. If you're looking to make instant cash, this is not for you. Anybody that tells you that, run, don't walk. So thanks again for being here. My name is Robert Farrell, Carpe Diem 2018.